Brad Williams, XL Prime. How about we take a wholesale price and mark it to retail? Simple enough, okay? Over here on your left, you have retail. Or, okay, we had a retail price. We marked it up. What's the wholesale price? Or we could say we have a wholesale price. We're going to mark it up 36%. What's the retail price? This was the markup. How do we determine what we paid for it? Take B5 divided by C5 plus 1. See how that works? We could reverse it by going 190 times 1 plus this markup, and it'll be 260. Simple algebra, but forget going into algebra. We're just going to look at this, and do we want to prove it? Well, we can. We can go equals 37586 times exactly what I just said, 1 plus this number here. There you go. There's proof. Might want to color it yellow. And let's center it. Let's see if we can insert. Nope. Copy down. Control D. And they should match. And if you ever are curious, you can always do this. Equals 689 equals this. And it better be true. So you got proof on top of proof. Control down. And everything should be true. Why? Well, look, 721 equals 721. How did you get 721? We took 514 times 40%. Reversing it, we took 90. In order to do that, we've done this a number of times, you have to divide in order to get your original price. If you read this over here, in this example, the goal is to determine the original number given the current value and percentage change. In other words, given the current value of this number, because this is random, I'm using 1100, and the known percentage change of 10%, we would like to return the initial value of 1,000. 1100 divided by 10% plus 1. Well, what's 10% plus 1? 110, right? B5 equals 179%. Why are we doing that? Because we need to, we're actually dividing by the same number instead of adding it twice. B5 divided by C5 plus 1. Work through these. If you're having a tough time understanding my explanation, just work through these. This is what I've shown you so far. We've gone B5 divided by C5 plus 1. We've gone C5 divided by B5 plus 1. We've gone through this proof, D5 times 1 plus C5. We've gone through C5 times 1 plus D5. We've gone D5 minus C5 divided by C5. We've gone D5 minus C5 divided by D5. Why? There's just a different logic for each one of these. By the time we get through, we'll have shown you all of these examples and why we use them. Brad Williams, XL Prime.